Have you ever spent 30 minutes scrolling trying to find a movie, then ended up watching absolutely nothing and just sleeping? Yeah, Netflix should pay us for emotional damage. So today I found this app called Rojo, Movies and TV Shows. And if you're the type of person who loves movies but hates wasting time choosing one, this might actually be useful. Now let me be clear, Rojo is not a streaming app, so don't download it expecting to watch full movies inside it. This app is more like your movie assistant. It helps you decide what to watch without all the guessing. First, it lets you watch official trailers in good quality, and I tested it with a few popular movies, and yup, it loads fast and doesn't feel heavy or laggy. Second, Rojo gives you detailed info about each movie or show, like the storyline, genre, ratings, and popularity. Sometimes it even shows extra details like budget and revenue if available. And honestly, I like that because it helps you avoid movies that look cool in the trailer but turn out to be 2 hours of sadness and confusion. Rojo also has a quick search feature, so if you already have a title in mind, you can find it instantly. But my favorite part is the similar movies and recommendations. For example, if you're checking an action movie, it suggests other action titles that match the vibe, so it's easier to build a watch list. It also has trending and upcoming movies, which is great if you like staying updated and don't want to miss new releases. The only downside is simple. Again, no full movies, only trailers and info. Rojo uses public data from TMDB and they clearly say they're not affiliated with it. So overall, if you want an app that helps you pick movies faster, discover new ones and watch trailers without stress, Rojo is actually worth trying. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.